And news coming in now on how Lalu Prasad Yadav has contradicted the statement that he made earlier. He now says, I implemented Mandal Commission. Reservation is socially not as per religion. So he's talking about societal norms. He's talking about social obligations. He wants to keep it away from religion. Let me go across to Saurabh once again. A little bit of a contradiction really coming in from Lalu Prasad Yadav. Saurabh, can he get away with this really given the remark that he's already made in public domain?
See, as I said, the politics of Lalu Yadav revolved around Muslims and Yadavs right from beginning, and now he has been fighting for the reservation for the OBCs in the state, and he is claiming that yes, it was he who brought Mandal Commission into force, and it is because of him the Muslims and Yadav got reservation in the state of Bihar. And in fact, the caste survey that was conducted last year, gave the numbers of all the castes in the state, and soon after that, the reservation cap was increased, and then all the parties were satisfied that these numbers of people should be given proper representation, and so the reservation cap was increased. But now that it's not only the caste card which Lalu Prasad is playing; he's playing the religion card, where nowhere in the constitution it is written that reservation will be given on the basis of religion. So this is a new war of words which is going on, and it certainly has a legal aspect into it, where there is no mention of giving reservation on the basis of religion. Otherwise, this is what the BJP is also saying, that there is no claim. It is just appeasement politics. What Lalu Prasad Yadav is doing, the whole RJD as well as the Congress party is doing in the country.
Yes, because he's not spoken clearly of one particular caste. He's spoken of the Muslim community. He's clearly brought in religion, and now this most certainly looks like a clear contradiction on his part. Interestingly, the JDU has also come out to say that his statement favouring reservation to Muslim violates spirit of Mandal Commission. But before that, let's hear it from Lalu Prasad Yadav and the latest contradiction that's come in from him.
मंडल कमीशन मैंने लागू किया था। अब आरक्षण सामाजिक आधार होता है, धर्म आधार नहीं होता है। अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने संविधान समीक्षा आयोग बना दिया था, और ये लोग यही चाहते हैं ये लोग कि ये जो थर्ड फेज का जो चुनाव हो रहा है, पूरा खुजली इनको खुजला रहा दे इनका, और हम थर्ड फेज में हम काफ़ी हमारे पक्ष में रिपोर्ट आ रहा है हमारे गठबंधन का, हम जीतेंगे। 400 पार का बात मतलब ये साइकोलॉजिकल एक असर देने के लिए लोगों के दिमाग में कि अरे यही जीतेगा। कहाँ से जीतेगा ये? 200 भी पार नहीं हो रहे हैं। हाँ, वो ख़त्म कराना चाहते तो पिछड़ा विरोधी लोग है ना, दलित पिछड़ा विरोधी है।
Let me go across to Pallavi once again. Pallavi, this is turning out to be a war of narratives. On one hand, the BJP says that here's an INDI, the opposition alliance, that's trying really hard to take away, rather snatch the rights of the SCs, STs, OBCs and give it to the Muslim community. They're talking about appeasement politics. But this kind of a justification coming in from Lalu Prasad Yadav is really not going to do well to the INDI group per se, because what he's saying in a sense is in clear contradiction to the earlier statement he made.
Absolutely, and in fact, if you go by both the EC rules and of course according to our constitution, you cannot ask for votes on the basis of religion, but when you push forward a reservation based on a religion, it is going to be deemed to be a similar factor, and I think at some point of time the BJP will make a complaint about that. But keeping this issue alive certainly suits the political narrative of the BJP as well. The Prime Minister and the party have been consistently making the point that whereas we believe in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, where we don't make a distinction on on people on the basis of the caste, creed or religion they belong to. Clearly that is exactly the opposite of what the India Front is doing. They are divisive in nature. They first talk about caste reservation, which Rahul Gandhi talks about. Now you have reservation based on religion, or the minority should get it. So what is the kind of an alternative is the India Front talking about? They accuse us of being divisive in nature, whereas actually the population of the country is being divided, and you're now talking about reservation on the basis of religion or caste in the 21st century.
Absolutely. The INDI perhaps needs a stronger comeback to give it back to the BJP. Pallavi, many thanks.